Oh, gina. At papasok na tayo. Rico!
Helicopter.
Anong helicopter? Pasok ka na alas 8. Tapos sunduin kita ng alas 3.
Are you glad you overcame your fear?
Good job, Sadie.
All right, Sadie. Another fear checked off the list. While Sadie is taking a nap, we are gonna do the try not to flinch challenge. Whoever flinches the least gets to put Sadie to bed.
Rico!
She's definitely able to. She's over fears.
Rico.
Okay, Sam, I want you to play along and comment how many times you flinch.
As long as there's no witches in this, I'm not gonna flinch.
Oh man, I'm not good at this.
Bad gonna happen.
Oh, flinch.
O bukas ang baon mo, itlog and hotdog ha? Hot silog ang baon mo bukas, okay? Ouch.
Who's crossing the street?
Oh, that's...
Oh! The car almost hit them. No.
Wow. Okay, I didn't flinch on that one,
Ouch.
but that is legit crazy.
That got real super fast.
Hot silog. Hotdog silog!
Okay. Wait, why